my amazing soul family. How are you guys doing? I welcome you to Soul Starter. So, we are back again doing a December 2021 reading upcoming week. So, you know what? I have posted Cancer, Libra, Gemini, and Taurus as of now, and then I posted a few readings in between. So, all my information in the description box. If you're new, hello, welcome to the channel. I welcome you all with so much of love and light. And all join us. Thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. Thank you so much for your support. We're a little community, we're growing, and I really appreciate each one of you for all your support, all your love, your little subscribes and likes. They make my uh, little work easier to connect with people, to heal people, and to in the process heal myself as well, because there's so much that we learn from each other, right? So you can skip the intro if you want to. So we're doing December 2021, your upcoming energies. What is it bringing in for you in general, love, career, dynamic? So whichever way this resonates with you, okay? So we're going to do Aquarius today. Aquarius. Let's see my aquas. What do you need to see? When I think of aqua, I think water, of course, and I think the star card really, and then I also see blues and silvers, with that. So let's see really what is coming around. For you guys, I see well-being somehow. They say well-being, like could be your emotional well-being, could be your mental well-being, physical, I don't know, something like there's this sense of clarity which is possibly coming into you. So let's see what's popping out as I'm shuffling. My ancestors, my guides, mentors, life workers are telling me to do so. Michael Gabriel, show me the messages. I send it to the light. For those watching, what are the messages for the Aquarius watching? If you're a cross watcher, my love, you're welcome. But please use your inner compass when you connect with the reading. And Aquarius, make sure that you watch your sun, moon, rising, okay? I dabble in the Vedic and the Western astrology, both, okay? So, take it the way it comes to you. One more, and that's it. What is it that you're really thinking? Let's see what's coming around for you guys. The starfish. So with the starfish here, frankly, this is about intuition, according to me, right? This is about inspiration. This is about finding answers that you so need. It is about knowing your worth, knowing your value. And it is about renewals, it is about transforming, it is about change. So yes, we've crossed the new moon in Sag, right, which was eclipsed. So let's see what is the guidance that is coming down. What's the tarot forecast telling you? Okay, what do we need to see? They tell me 5 shuffles. 1, 2, 3. It is about divine guiding you. It is about the love. It's about the falcon kind of vibe that I get, Starfish is intuition. It is about you listen to yourself. So you think less. You feel more because you're in that energy. That is what divine love does to you, right? That is what it does to you. So let's see what is it really guiding. I think it's going to be a very strong reading, Aquarius, for you guys. So this can resonate with you in any dynamic. I've shuffled more than 5 times because they asked me to. And I definitely see sustainability kind of vibe. Something which you're getting a grip on. What do we need to see as a surrender to the light? Michael, show me the messages highest. For the highest good for the Aquarius watching. Your instincts are on point right now. Don't doubt it. If anything you're thinking about. My goodness, I've got 3 cards. In fact, 4. I can't take 4, but I'm going to take these. Lovers. What is this energy about? Is this really about something to do with love? Is it about like something which is getting unified, within you? What is it really? We'll see that. We'll figure that out. And we'll move ahead as to what this is really bringing in, and what are the messages that are trying to come. 6 is really about harmonizing. Six is about seeing things in cooperation and not feel challenged about it, because at times passion can be very challenging, right? So this could be that you could be dealing with someone of that nature. The partnership is of a certain kind which is moving a little slowly. It is taking a lot of your energy maybe, and so you're putting in more but you're getting in less, whereas your instinct is saying that you think less, you feel more. So that's the kind of crossroad kind of vibe that's coming in. We have the Six of Swords. So the idea is that you have to really make peace with something which is really disturbing you right now, Aquarius. I don't know what is it, but there is something. So this can resonate with some of you, most of you, many of you, right? So whoever is resonating, possibly this message is for you. And if it does not, then of course you have to see your sun, moon, and rising for a better picture. So whatever I think is draining your energy, whatever is pulling you down, just let it go. Stay focused, because your well-being is prime. If you're okay, you're healthy, you're doing well, you'll be able to invite stable, strong, grounded energy towards you. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, King of Pentacles. So yes, you understand the position perfectly, Aquarius. It is about choosing your company. It is about knowing who you wish to be with, who you need to be surrounded with, because that is where your power is going to lie, and that is all love. That is all longevity. And these two cards are really screaming relationship to me, but it could be career as well, where stability, sustainability is of course being sought after. And then we have the Ace of Cups, Cancerian energy. So this is of course about you possibly seeing things for the way they are. You are kind of getting a grip about something, and you're embracing the Falcon energy, as I said, the divine energy. Because the traits are really in, if I talk about Aquarius, it is about insight so strong, it is about information, it is about knowing that this seems right, trusting it so big. So yeah, your intuition is actually working, is really guiding you. But are you able to connect with it? That is the whole game, that is the whole vibe. So I think, Aquarius, this is important for you to see. And if anyone is judging you for whatever reason, Chariot, Cancerian energy, could be someone you're dealing with. So this is about you unifying it for me, Aquarius. That's how I see this, about you unifying it, you taking control of your situation, knowing how I need to ride it. Don't teach me the way. Walk the way with me is what it says. It says there's a sense of freedom, there's a sense of realization. It's definitely transforming. It is changing. Something is changing in your environment, in your surrounding. And you're not any which you're holding on to anything which is not serving you anymore. Could be a relationship, could be a partnership. You're getting clear about this. You're really getting clear about this, because you're not going to let anyone take your energy away from you. What else we need to see, Michael, for Aquarius watching? Now I see there is more power to you than there was once. So you're more powerful, you're more strong, you're more, you're more in the capacity where, persistence has, brought about so much energy of patience in you that you know how you need to drive the chariot. Simple. Two of Wands, absolutely. And they're saying do what you're doing right now, okay? It might seem a little slow, it might seem that it's going to you might be asking yourself, I think that is what the idea is, that you're feeling something, you're experiencing something that's like in both the worlds. So they're trying to tell you that whatever it is, you have to make sure that you continue to have faith and say that you're focused towards your wellness, and that is what really matters to you, because otherwise there's nothing more to it, right? Because ideally, whether it's a relationship or a partnership, if you understand that it has to be a unified experience, that is where the power lies, right? And it's important to see it in the physical form, and it's very important to handle issues with a certain experience, with the King of Pentacles kind of energy, wherein you're also showing the results with the Chariot, saying that finally it's coming into balance. So I feel for some, this could be like a change or perspective shift that's happening totally. And for some, I think this is really about how you would be progressing forward, how you would be taking chances in love, and how things would be changing. Because with the tower, that is what something has really struck you, and something has really come about in your fundamentals that you realize it. So integrity, honesty, they're the ways that you want to live, your life. Betrayal no more. I mean, you don't want that at all. Yeah. The Emperor, Aries. Of course, this is really about you knowing your worth. You saying that, what, I stand tall. I'm okay. You know, I don't need weird widgets on my iPad or whatever you use, right? To make me feel, more upgraded, updated. Because you feel you've got freedom any which way. Because there's clarity. The Falcon, as I said, you've got clarity, you've got uh, that sense of not being impassive. You're being expressive about things, and uh, it's just about making the right choices. I feel in love, in partnership, whatever, whichever way this is resonating. Okay. So, I think Aquarius, the overall message is do not ignore your intuition. Whatever your intuition is really telling you, it's telling you for a very good reason, okay? Do not stand confused, because they are sending you signs and syncs. Your sacred divine light, whoever you believe in, is sending you signs and syncs. But are we receiving it? Are we open to receive it? That is the whole game, right? And someone is deeply in love with you. That is hands down for sure, which I see. But the idea is that, the reciprocity is, of course, a thing, you know, and that's where the feelings come into play. That's where the sense of being let down comes into play. That's where your sense of freedom is questioned. I think for some, it cannot be your story for everybody, but for some, definitely it is. So, seeing each other as equal is what matters, right? And that's what makes it so powerful. The Chariot is hands down powerful, right? So of course that's where the union lies, but of course it is coming around for many of you, I see, because this is where uh, the truth is going to unravel. But don't push it, don't rush into it. Let it go easy, let it go slow, because if you try and oppose it or you resist it, it's going to be difficult, right? So be open to communication, be willing to understand, because the Emperor can be a little fixed, right? With the King of Pentacles, of course. So just make sure that you try and adapt and enjoying your sense of freedom that you do. Make sure that you honor the force within you, and for the person you connecting or dealing with, or whatever situation you're in, and this is resonating with you. So I think it's going to be fantastic going forward, because ideally that's what they're suggesting, that December going forward, upcoming energies are going to be fantastic. So let's see, what are the angels guiding you, what are they sending you the messages for about. I'm not using the power of love today somehow for you guys, because that's what they're advising me, especially in love. They're showing me that if it's really about having an open conversation, keeping it open, understanding the other side too, so that you can meet each other's emotional requirements too, right? So it is very simple. I mean, it's just there how we see it, right? So let's see, what are the angels suggesting going forward, whichever way this is resonating. Let's see. There's help around you, that's what they show me, right? But again, let's see. There's always a silver lining, that's what they're saying. Oh God, see, listen to your intuition. Literally. Starfish, and then this is all about intuition, all about your intuition. Do not ignore it, Aquarius. This is big. Your intuition is talking to you. You have to listen to it. Don't be confused about it. Listen to it. I'm repeating it, okay? And I'm sure this is going to be quite a heads up, because this could have happened to you, this is happening to you, but surely this is coming away. This is surely going to pan out going forward in the upcoming days. So I shall see you the next time, Aquarius, and I send you so much of love and light. Thank you so much. If you've not subscribed to the channel, please do press the bell icon and follow us on Twitter and on Instagram. Thank you so much. Sending you so much of love and light from this little space, little window that I connect from. And stay powerful as you are, okay? And I shall see you the next time. Bye for now.